Popular for their distinct aroma and flavor-enhancing abilities, olive oil and garlic are used in recipes around the world. Some of our favorite dishes include these two ingredients to intensify their taste. More than that, these two ingredients offer incredible health benefits and nutrition for our bodies, with some even considering them to be superfoods due to their powerful and unique compounds. They are loaded with many different nutrients that can reduce the risk of disease and promote our overall health. Let's discuss some of the wonderful benefits of eating olive oil and garlic regularly. A mixture of olive oil and garlic can help promote our heart health and reduce many risk factors associated with heart disease. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is incredibly heart healthy. It not only lowers inflammation throughout the body and cardiovascular system, but also protects against LDL cholesterol oxidation and promotes the health of the lining of our blood vessels. As well, many different studies have shown olive oil can lower blood pressure when consumed consistently. Garlic can also help protect against heart disease. Research has shown that it can help prevent and treat cardiovascular disease, such as hypertension and atherosclerosis. If that wasn't enough, regular garlic consumption may help to reverse early heart disease and remove plaque buildup in the arteries. This mixture will also provide our bodies with important nutrition and unique compounds to improve our health. Extra virgin olive oil is a great source of monounsaturated fats, which alone have many different healthy benefits, such as reducing cholesterol and lowering the risk of stroke. It also contains a good amount of vitamin K, vitamin E, and many different antioxidant compounds. Garlic is also loaded with important nutrition for our bodies. Just one clove of garlic provides us with manganese, vitamin C, calcium, and health-promoting sulfur compounds such as allicin. Garlic is also very low in calories. Eating a mixture of olive oil and garlic regularly can also help prevent neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and improve brain function. Due to olive oil's amazing antioxidant profile, it can help to reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline due to its ability to protect against inflammation and oxidative stress. It can also help protect against certain proteins which are toxic to the brain and can lead to diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. Garlic can also help to support brain health. Like olive oil, garlic contains unique and potent antioxidants that can support our body in fighting against oxidative and free radical damage, which can contribute to unwanted cognitive diseases. As well, garlic has been found to have protective abilities for our brain, which can help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Always discuss with your medical practitioner if you believe you are suffering from any dementia or Alzheimer's disease-related symptoms. Consuming olive oil and garlic can also help prevent diabetes. Studies have suggested that consuming monounsaturated fats, which are found in high qualities in extra virgin olive oil, can have beneficial effects on insulin sensitivity. This may even help to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. As well, olive oil can help to stabilize blood sugar levels in the body and regulate insulin. Garlic can also be beneficial for those individuals at risk of developing diabetes or those who are already suffering with the disease. Consuming garlic regularly may help with the regulation of blood sugar levels as well as encourage and improve circulation. Also, it can help to lower serum glucose levels and triglycerides in the blood. Lastly, eating a mixture of olive oil and garlic consistently can help to boost immunity and fight common cold and flu symptoms. Extra virgin olive oil is incredibly high in potent antioxidants. In fact, it is one of the best and highest antioxidant sources in the world. These antioxidants can help rid the body of unwanted toxins and free radicals, while also boosting our overall immunity. Garlic is also great for fighting colds and different infections. This is attributed to garlic's great antimicrobial, antivirus, and antifungal properties, which can help relieve common cold and flu symptoms, as well as other infections in the body. The compound allicin found in garlic is especially important in this role and has incredible antimicrobial effects. This allows garlic to help boost our overall immunity. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.